Wow.
And we see this all the time. Oh my gosh. And we always just try to tell everyone, if you cannot see the road, especially when it's dark, if you cannot see the, just do not chance
Just don't try it. Yeah, absolutely. You have no idea how deep that water is because you can't actually see under the water in most cases.
Yeah.
So, yeah, very good lesson there, Casey. And luckily, I feel like we dodged a bullet today.
Good.
Yeah, we dodged a bullet in the fact that we only had a couple tornado warnings for far deep East Texas, for parts of St. Augustine and Sabine counties, but we're not quite out of the woods yet. There's still a tornado watch for the same areas that have been most impacted by the storms today, and that happens to be Panola, Shelby, St. Augustine, and Sabine counties. But if you are to the west, western counties from Hopkins down to Trinity County, Wood, Smith, Cherokee, Angelina, Nacogdoches, Rusk, and all of our northeastern counties, your tornado threat is effectively over for right now. Let's go ahead and track some of these showers and thunderstorms for you. As you can see, this is the area of concern. What we've seen is training of thunderstorms, and that's actually increased the flash flood threat. And that's what you see on the screen. All these little green polygons here, those are flash flood warnings, and it occurs most along the Texas-Louisiana state line there. So let's go ahead and zoom in to some of these showers and thunderstorms that we are seeing. It's Panola into southeastern Harrison County. There's Interstate 20, there's Marshall, there's Carthage. We continue to see some heavy rain with frequent cloud-to-ground lightning occurring in those areas, and it's probably about another 30 minutes of that. We still have some redevelopment in Angelina County. None of these storms are severe or anything like that. They're just producing heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and a little bit of lightning. Now, I zoomed to the west for one reason and one reason only. We've got a front moving through the DFW area, and what has happened is we're starting to see some showers form along the front. That will be our next round of showers and thunderstorms, so we're keeping an eye on that. That Gulf moisture continues to stream in with that cold front moving in. On the backside of this storm system, on the cold side, we continue to see a major winter storm churning over parts of Colorado and Nebraska, but that's not in our forecast. We still have a little bit of rain on the way. Temperature-wise, we are in the 70s, so still a little bit of juice left in the air for some storms to get going. Wind speeds are also strong, anywhere from about 5 up to 15 miles per hour in some cases. There's your front. That's 11 o'clock in the evening there, so about 30 minutes away from right now. A few showers and thunderstorms forming along that front, as I mentioned. And then by midnight, Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville, the front's moving through your area. These storms might intensify as they move into a more favorable environment, but the severe weather threat's relatively low. Yes, we could have gusty winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, but that's about as good as we do with this line of storms. By 2 o'clock, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Center, you might hear a couple of rumbles of thunder that may wake you up early tomorrow morning, and then these showers move off to the south and to the east, and by 4 o'clock in the morning, they're moving into parts of Louisiana. Let's go ahead and talk about tonight's forecast. Again, not going to rule out a few showers and thunderstorms along that front, but ultimately the storms will end. It will be a little cooler tonight than what it was last night, and then as we head into tomorrow, we start out at about 56, maybe a stray shower or two in deep East Texas, but then we're in the 60s by noon and 5 o'clock. Okay, so here is the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. This is valid for next Sunday through next Thursday. High temperatures during that time should remain in the 60s, but we also have at least one chance of rain on Sunday, which could lead to above average precipitation. And folks, this is music to my ears because we need to see a little bit of rain at this time of year to make sure we're starting this year better than what happened last year. 57 Thursday, Friday, we're sailing smoothly throughout the day. Plenty of sunshine around, 62. A little bit of precipitation Saturday night into Sunday, 50s and 60s for those highs. And then as we look at deep East Texas, similar trend temperature-wise, we are in the 50s and 60s with plenty of sunshine around. Casey? All right.